Hello everyone, make a video welcome here. In this video, me showing you blur part of video. So watch video, the video, the end. Watch video and all right. So you'd now let's go project. Grab video. 1 second. I have here the video, me doing now very simple with this effect. You go to effects here, right, Gaussian, something like that. All right, um, Gaussian blur. Dragged it on top of that video, grab this and put it here to the video. Now here please click on a square you need or a circle, click on it, and now you have here a Gaussian blur, and you have to increase blurriness, and now you have blurriness and you blurred this part. Now if you don't want, we'll right click here and click cut, and now just decrease this to 0 and just get this free draw bezier, and you click and you highlight if there is something in specific you want to blur. Now increase, and now you see here you have blur, right? Now of course this is very helpful. If you want to increase something, we can delete, as I said, and here maybe circle, maybe whatever you want, and just increase expansion, increase blurriness. Anyway, but you want maybe to track this car that's moving. So what you have to do is to click on this and then position tracking the end of the video. All right, now you just have to wait. Everything will be added manually, automatically, not manually. So for you it's very good for now, because you can watch movie, you can do what you want, because Adobe Premiere is doing the work for you. So thank Adobe Premiere. This will not take very long, depends on your computer machine. If you have a machine that is very fast, this will do it very fast. If your computer is potato, then it will take a lot of time to do this tracking, this automatic AI manual, this tracking, all right? But it's actually good, so don't worry. And as I said, please, when you start tracking, click on here once you have this cursor at the end of the video, if you want the tracking to start from there. Now you can add expansion. All right, this mask expansion, opacity, and mask feather. All right. Now I hope you found helpful this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe for more. If you have idea for next video, please tell me in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care, and make sure you give a like and subscribe.